Hi friends, welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a crispy and delicious Rava Dosa recipe. Let's see the ingredients. I have 2 large onions which is chopped, about 2 teaspoons of ginger chopped, 2 green chilies which is finely chopped, some curry leaves, some coriander which is chopped, about 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of peppercorns. Let's see the measurements. I've taken 1 cup of semolina, 3/4 cup of rice flour and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour or Maida. Now take a bowl. Let's mix the semolina or the rava, which is 1 cup. In the same cup, let's measure about 3/4 cup of rice flour and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour or Maida. Now add sufficient salt. I've added about 1 teaspoon of salt, and let's mix all the dry ingredients together. Now let's add 2 teaspoons of chopped ginger, about 2 green chilies which is chopped. Let's add some coriander leaves for nice fragrance and also some chopped curry leaves. Now let's add the chopped onions. I've taken about 2 large onions which is chopped. Add about 1 teaspoon of peppercorn seeds, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and mix all the ingredients together. Now let's add about 5 cups of water and mix all the ingredients together so that they do not form lumps. Keep it aside for about 15 minutes. Let them soak in the water. So after 15 minutes you can notice that the batter is about thick and nice and it has absorbed all the water. Let's add a pinch of Asofoetida powder. This gives a nice flavor to the batter. Now after 15 minutes you can see that the batter is nice and thick. Let us add some more water so that it's in a runny consistency. You can see that the batter is nice and runny. Now heat a pan, a non-stick pan or an iron tawa. Today I am using an iron tawa. So let us pour the batter on the hot pan. You need not fill the gaps. The holes in the corners gives a nice crispy texture to the dosa. Now pour some oil and let it crisp on the sides. Now slowly flip the dosa on the other side. You can see it's nice and crisp on the outside. Today I haven't used a non-stick pan, yet it has come out very well and the corners are nice and crispy. You can see it's nice and crispy on the outside and it does not stick to the pan. You can make this dosa instantly. You need not ferment the batter overnight. So it's a very quick breakfast recipe or even for dinner, you can easily make it. You can serve it with a nice coconut chutney or even a tomato chutney. Do try this easy recipe. That's it friends, our delicious and crispy rava dosa is ready. Do try this recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.